Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya, channelnya Wonagung Teknik Auto. Semoga Anda selalu sehat selalu, diberi rezeki, alhamdulillah, amin. Kali ini ada perbaikan rem untuk L300. Ya oke lah, tonton kita aja terus. Tonton terus ya guys. Video ini walaupun ngomongnya entah kemana-mana itu terserah, itu udah biasa. Oke ya, tonton terus ya. Anda sendiri yang menilai. Oke. Soalnya udah lemes nih.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
Yang kiri kan? Kalau kiri apa? Iya. Ya kan? Kanan kiri.